If you guys have a Lexus GS 430 V8 with the check engine code, maybe this is your problem. So this code is a it was a EVAP large leak. So I looked up the code. It would say something about maybe checking up the gas tank hoses, the charcoal canister. It could be the gas cap. It could be a lot of vacuum hose. So what I did first, I did the easiest part, which is the gas cap. When I looked at it, I look at the seals, see is everything okay. Mine look pretty good. Clean the edges, take a towel, clean it. The obvious problem with my car was a vacuum hose. But in order to take out the vacuum hose, you gotta first take off the engine cover, which is just 210, and then you just remove the 10 and just lift up. And my problem was that this hose right here, this one was unplugged. It was so brittle that it came off and it broke. And also this hose was cracked. You can tell that I already replaced it already. I didn't cut it too straight, but whatever. This was a new hose that I purchased from it was a couple bucks from the hardware store. So what I did was I just line up the measurements from there, and I cut it, and then from here to there I just measure and cut, and then just put the clamp back on. And that was the obvious hose that actually came off. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna clear the codes and see what happens. So let's give it a test drive. Let's see what's cracking. But straight up right away, I do feel a little bit different in the car. So that's a good sign so far. But I like the power and the acceleration. So far no lights are popping up. Yeah, so far so good. I think that might be the problem. It was that vacuum hose. That hose was only like $4, and it took me longer to go buy the hose than to install it. So that was only like a 15-minute job, measuring and cutting and just sliding it in. And so if you guys have a trouble code of a P0441, P0446, or P0455, check out your vacuum hose first before taking to a mechanic shop. Something you could do by yourself and then save you some money. In my case, it was just a vacuum hose, and the hose was only like $5. Did it myself, and then so far so good. It fixed the problem. If you guys find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.